Good morning. Let's make lunchbox today. So I'm making pav bhaji. Heat some butter, add in onion and salt. Cook till caramelized. Add in tomatoes and cook for 5 minutes. Add in pav bhaji masala and Kashmiri chili powder along with some water and cook for 5 minutes. Add in boiled vegetables. It's potato, carrot and capsicum. Add in and mash it roughly. So that's it, your pav bhaji is done. Now let's make Kerala banana roast for snacks box. Slice up Nendra palam, cook in ghee till the bananas are completely caramelized. Keep mixing, sprinkle over sugar and cook till the banana is caramelized. That's it, your banana roast is done. Now let's pack the lunchbox. I made a homemade pav buns the day before. I'm packing that along with butter and lemon. Now fill in the bhaji in the lunchbox. That's it. The lunchbox is done. So hope you enjoy this video. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.